Are you struggling to provide a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers on Shopify and other e-commerce platforms? Well, you're not alone, because many businesses face this challenge. But the question remains, what should be your approach, who to partner with, and how to look for the right things? These questions must be running around your mind. But don't worry, they've got it covered. Here are 5 things that you should look for. Point number 1, product and catalog customization. You should have a customized product and catalog which creates a personalized shopping experience that reflects your brand uniqueness. Point number 2, reviews and ratings. Customer reviews and ratings are crucial for building trust. Point number 3, discounts and push notifications. Everyone loves a good deal, and especially Indians. So set up discounts and push notifications so your customers never miss that special offer. And point number 4, bundle products. Increase your sales by offering bundled products. We can help you set up this feature, allowing your customers to purchase a combination of similar products. And last but not the least, point number 5, inventory and stock management. Managing inventory can be a daunting task, and with our expertise, we can integrate effective inventory and stock management systems into your Shopify stores. So don't let the challenges of e-commerce slow you down. With Orange Mantra and Shopify, you can innovate, integrate, and accelerate.